Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one in here. And we have s to the power of 4 over 3 minus number 4s to the power of 2 over 3 plus 4. So this one divided by s, this one divided by s, and number 4 divided by s. So we have s to the power of 4 over 3 minus 1 minus 4s to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1 and 4 over s. So this one we have 1 over 3. This one we have negative 1 over 3. The integration of this one we have s to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 1 over 3 plus 1 minus number 4s to the power of negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over negative 1 over 3 plus 1. And the last one is about 4 ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. This one we have 4 over 3. This one is about 2 over 3. And that is the final answer. Question number 2, we need to expand this one. So this one we have number 1, so we have s. This one we have 7 over 6. Number 2 and number 2 we have 4. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one we have s to the power of 4 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over 3 plus 1. Similar for the next one, we have 7 over 6 plus 1 over 7 over 6 plus 1, and we have s squared over 2, and we put about c. So this one in here, we have 7 over 3. This one we have 7 over 3. This one we have 13 over 6. And this one we have 13 over 6. 4 divided by 2, we have s squared. And number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.